Last year, Donosti was the European Capital of Culture.
And now, Ares, it's your turn!
Ani, Aizea,
Ayelen, Maria,
Aitana, Paula,
June,
York.
And we are from the Youth Department of San Sebastian. Nature.
Culture. Decisions about human rights and peace are made here. This is Ayete Palace.
Decisions about democracy are made here, and this is Miramar Palace.
Demokrazia denontza da, parte hartu.
La democracia es para todos, involúcrate.